Hello guys, it's Tech with Ethan back with a new YouTube video with an HTML tutorial. So today in this video, we're going to be learning how to insert or put an audio into your HTML website. So as you can see, I already have my file saved and I have like the basic HTML layout. So I also have an audio piece. So let's go where you make like your videos. In this case, I'm going to choose for example, it doesn't matter. Maybe this one. Then select properties, go to security, and do you see this object name? You Control C, Control V, which is a shortcut to copy and paste. So we're gonna copy and paste, minimize File Explorer, and we're gonna Control V, which is paste shortcut in here. Now all we have to do the audio tag, of course. Do CRC, which is source, which stands for, really means to really let the computer know what folder it is in. And close quotations and brackets or tags, and close audio. So now here between the closing tag and closing quotation, in this space write controls for to really know that's there, or then the audio won't be in the appearance. So let's close this, go to our audio, and you can see it's there. It's 14 minutes long because it's really supposed to be a video. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!